Alright everyone, I hope y'all enjoyed that real quick unboxing and packaging showcase. And now let's get into the first impressions with the Coumi 860 ANC truly wireless earbuds. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I do have to let everyone know this is yet another product that came in and it is being brought to you guys and gals thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So yet again, what exactly is the Amazon Vine program, if you're asking? Essentially what it is Amazon sent these into the channel for review, and all I have to do is type up and publish my full written review on Amazon, and then these bad boys are mine to keep free of charge. Alright, so yet again, the full written review will be out long before the unboxing, long before the video review is published, long before any of the other content. Alright? Just wanted to let y'all know that up front. Okay? And also, this whole video is being recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the S7 Active. This is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with external audio. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality. And as always, if your interest is piqued, all the links to where you guys and gals can pick these earbuds up will be available down below in the video description. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's get into these first impressions. Now, all in all, I have to say, I really do like the look of the earbuds, okay? It is very tiny, very pocketable, but it does stick out of my ears very oddly, but it's okay because it works exactly how I need it to. So the overall first impressions of the look of the earbuds is quite nice. Alright, let's go ahead and try these bad boys on now and give you my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. So this is the right, and it's going to go in my ears like this. Okay, so put this in here, angle that up. Oh yeah, that went in there real nice fit there. And here is the left, and it's going to go in my ears like that. So let's put the left in. Again, it went in almost instantly. Nice snug fit. Now, in terms of the sound isolation, I could still hear myself talk a little bit. Now let's do a real quick shake test. Okay, in terms of the shake test, they're not coming out. They're in there very solidly. So I'm not going to have any issues in terms of them moving around. So in terms of the overall fit and feel, from a first impression standpoint, they seem to be really good. Now, let me snap some selfies for y'all so y'all can get an idea of what it looks like. Pixel 2 XL on deck again today. Let's fire up this camera real quick. Alright, flip to the front facing camera. Alright, do a real quick front profile here. And then do a side profile for y'all. And let's take a look. Let's let these process. Yeah, so it does look, it looks pretty weird. And, oh, well, the front profile, yeah, it does look like I got big snot globs hanging out of my ears. But it is what it is. So here's the front profile. You see it's big, it's huge. Alright? And then here's the side profile. Yeah, it does look pretty weird, but it is what it is. Alright? So again, here's the side profile. And here's the front profile. Not bad. It is what it is. Alright. So that essentially does it for this one. Oh, and then when I take it out of my ears, it does this. Gotta push that back in. Yeah, that happens pretty much every time I take it out of my ears. Gotta fix that. There we go. So yeah, that pretty much does it for the real quick unboxing and first impressions of the Coumi 860 ANC truly wireless earbuds. Okay, now yet again, guys and gals, the full review for these earbuds should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, and that will be the last video in the series So y'all be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo, and everything will culminate in my full review, and we'll go over everything you need to know. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. We are out of here. Peace.